Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're exploring the rich history of coffee in Yemen, where coffee's story truly began. Yemen is celebrated as the birthplace of coffee. In the 15th century, Sufi monks in western Yemen first brewed coffee to stay awake during long prayers. This discovery around 1450 sparked the global coffee culture we know today. From the port city of Mocha, Yemeni traders spread coffee across the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. The rich, earthy flavor of Yemeni coffee soon became legendary. What sets Yemeni coffee traditions apart are their unique processes and rituals. In addition to traditional coffee, Yemenis also enjoy qishr, a drink made from coffee husks blended with spices like ginger and cinnamon, creating a flavor deeply tied to their culture. In Yemen, coffee is more than a drink. It's a symbol of hospitality. Guests are welcomed with a cup, brewed slowly in traditional clay pots, fostering connections. As we sip our coffee today, let's honor its ancient roots in Yemen, where every cup tells a story of tradition and community. Stay tuned for more on Tea and Coffee Explorers and discover top essentials through our hand-picked affiliate links. Until next time, happy exploring.